What is going on? I'm about to open a sweet freaking package that came in from Denver Autographs. They had a guy in for a paid signing that I sent this off months and months ago, like 3-4 months ago, and I paid for it 3 or 4 months ago. And what's kind of crappy is I've been writing them this whole week and like, hey, whatever happened to this? Whatever happened to this? And they wouldn't get back to me on their social media. They wouldn't answer their phone, and they wouldn't email me back. So I hope this is what I paid for, because what I paid for was freaking expensive. I'm still wondering why the hell I paid what I paid. So we'll get our shinger out and get to it. You can see here, whoop, whoop, whoop. Not opened. I'm going through this greatness with y'all. It's one big happy card cutter family here. Boop. Let's see. Nothing to see here. Anything? Is there anything in there? Oh, there is. We'll pull that. We'll pull that right out of our slit or slat, whatever you want to call it. Hit that. Come over here and hit that. And we'll do one more for fun. Okay. And oh, these jokers, they got a freaking like post-it note on it or something. Okay, this is going to be, you're going to see it before I see it. So, Denver Autographs. Okay, we're talking about John Elway. John Elway here, and that slid out. And you see that there's a whole lot of ink and there's a whole lot of glare. You can't see what's going on there yet. Woo! Baby. Holy hell. That is what I paid for right here. Look at this freaking monster, would you? Oh man, get out of that glare. John Elway, Hall of Fame 04, Super Bowl MVP, 9-time Pro Bowl. Bang. This is a slight PC upgrade. Oh, dude, this is so dope. Oh, man, this is so freaking cool. Yeah, this is a massive upgrade to the one I have. I think the one I had, I mean, y'all seen it sometime this week, I believe, in the Rummage video. I think it's just signed. I don't even think it's inscribed Hall of Fame. So this is ridiculous, man. I don't think it will get a 10, because when you do the autograph grade, they're not just grading the autograph itself, but also any inscriptions. So if the autograph is perfect, but there's a flaw in the inscription, then they're going to take that into account. And it looks like there's one tiny but noticeable flaw. I mean, you wouldn't even be able to pick it up on camera. But in the 4 on Hall of Fame 04, there's just a little speck right in the middle of the blue. But dude, this is freaking awesome. I need to quit fondling this freaking card without any protection. I got this post-it note here on the back. My address. Whew. That's a big one, boys. Appreciate y'all watching. Till next time, adios, be safe. Bye-bye. Doodles.